Hey guys, Ethan Dubs covers some more back today with box number 2 of the 2017 Topps Update Chrome Mega Boxes. Just did one, go check out that video. This will be number 2. Let's see what we get. They're pretty nice. You get 7 exclusive packs of Update Chrome. A lot of nice All-Star Game rookies. So here we go with pack number 1. Guys, let me know if you pulled anything big out of these. Tyler Glasnow, rookie. Nice. Rookie debut, Aaron Judge. Nice one. Eddie Murray. Dylan Betances. Next up. Derek Fisher, rookie. Anthony Alford, rookie. Nolan Arenado. Corey Seager, All-Star Game. Tom Seaver, rookie reprint. Derek Fisher, rookie. Gurriel, rookie. Anthony Sensatelia. Nice. Got an autograph. Trey Mancini. That is super nice. Rookie, Trey Mancini. Refractor auto. Very nice. I was looking for an autograph and got one, so that's awesome. Strasburg. Jesse Winker, rookie. Jeff Hoffman, rookie. Johnny Bench, rookie reprint. Nice. 2 packs to go. Chris Sale, All-Star Game. Nice, back-to-back Red Sox. Craig Kimbrell. Brett Phillips, rookie. Jorge Bonifacio. And last pack. Joey Votto, All-Star Game. There's a reprint, Noah Syndergaard, Future Stars. Sean Newcomb, rookie, and nice Ian Happ, rookie. So that was a nice box there. Got the Aaron Judge rookie debut and a nice Trey Mancini autograph. So that's it for box 2. Stay tuned for box 3. Hope you all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.